31 to 35 caselet model are given. Next 36 to 50 simplifications. 51 to 60 arithmetic questions. First simplifications. Question number 36. What is the last one? 25 divided by 5 or not? How much? 5 or not? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 8 minus 0 means ending with 2 or not? How many options are ending with 2? 2 options or not? Okay. Already 961 and 928. What is the difference? 61 and 28 difference. 33 or not? What is the nearby value? 32 or 62? 32. Next 37. 13 8 how much? 104. Ending with 4 or not? Minus 4 or plus 4? Minus 4. 2 into 3 6. Ending with 6 or not? Minus 6 or plus 6? Minus 6. Minus 1 plus 5 or not? Okay. Minus 4 minus 6 minus 10. Minus 10 minus 1 minus 11. Minus 11 plus 5. Minus 4 minus 1 plus 5 cancel or not? Minus 6. Negative value 6 means positive value 4 or not? Which one square? 4 we are getting. 22 square or not? 13 8 how much? 104 minus 104 or not? 102 3 times. 306 minus 1 plus 895. Okay. 104 plus 306 410. 410. 410 and 895. What is the difference? 485 or not? In this one, how much value are subtracting? 1. We are getting 484. Which one square? 22 square or not? Next. First priority 48 divided by 0.5 or not? 0.5 means we return 1 by 2 or not? The numerator double or triple? Double. 48 double 96 minus 96 plus 24 minus 27 into 0.5 or not? 0.5 means it is 1 by 2 or not? 27 into half means it is 13.5 or not? 13.5 plus 96 minus 96 cancel or not? 24 minus 13.5 10.5. What is the third value? 47 divided by 0.5 or not? Then numerator will be double or triple? Double. 74 plus 63 minus 94 or not? 74 94 difference. Minus 20 or plus 20? Minus 20. 63 minus 20. 43. Next. First priority 180 into 25.50 or not? 180 into 25 times means half of the 50 times or not? But 50 times means half of the 100 times or not? What is the 100 times of 180? 18,000 or not? What is the 100 times? 18,000. What is the 50 times? 9,000. 25 times 4,500 or not? Plus 180 into which one? Half value or not? 180 into half means 90 plus 50% of which value? 2,900. Half of the 2,900. 1,450 or not? Adding or subtracting? Adding. 90 plus 50. 140. Ending with 40 or not? How many options? Only one or not? Next question number 41. 15 minus 172 into 15 divided by 25. First priority 172 into 15 divided by 25 or not? 5 how many times 15? 3 times. 5 how many times 25? 5 times or not? Okay. Already 15 plus 5. Total it is how much? 20. minus 172 into how much value? 3 by 5 or not? 3 by 5. 172 into 3 means 5, 1, 6 or not? 172 3 times 5, 1, 6 by how much value? 5. Denominator 5 means numerator will be double by 10 or not? 5, 1, 6 double. 1032 by 10 means minus 103.2 or not? Okay, 20 minus 103.2, we are getting minus 83.2 or not? Next one, verify the units position. First one units position 2, second one 5 4s 0, next third one 0 into 4 0 or not? 2 plus 0 plus 0, how many options are ending with 2? 2 options or not? Okay. Second value 95 into 14, third value 130 into 14. What is the common value? 14 or not? What are the remaining two values sum? 130 plus 95, how much? 225 into how much value? 14 or not? Okay. First 14 into 200, 2800 or not? 14 into 20, 280 or not? 14 5s are 70 or not? Plus how much value you are adding? 2 are adding or not? Ending with 2, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 1, 16, ending with 62 or not? Which option? Fifth one or not? First priority bracket or not? 428 minus 103, how much? 325 and into 16 by 4 or not? 16 by 4 means 4 into 4 times or not? 4 into 300, 1200, 4 into 25, 100, total it is 1300, already 37, total it is 1337 or not? Next 44, first priority left hand side value or not? 4 how many times? 16, 4 times 17 4 the 68, 68 plus 58 or not? 68 plus 58, 126, it is divided by which one? 9, almost 14 times or not? Next 45, first priority left hand side values or not? 70 plus 70, 140 plus 10, 150, 7 plus 1, 8, it will be 158 or not? That 158 is subtracted from 14% of which value? 1200. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 14 into 12, 14 into 12 means 13 square minus 1 or not? What is the 13 square? 169 minus 1, 168, then 168 and 158 difference or not? How much? 10 or not? Next 46, 72% of 2900 plus 17% of 4800 equal to 19% of 3100 plus something or not? Verify the units position, 4 possibilities or not? Okay. 72 into 29 or not? Second one 17 into 48, third one 19 into 31 or not? Okay. First 72 into 29 means it will be 30 minus 1 time or not? 30 minus 1 time. 72 into 30 means 2160 minus how much value? 72 or not? What is the remaining value? 2088 or not? 2088. What is the second value? 17% of which one? 4800. 4800 already percentage 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 48 means it is 50 minus 2 or not? 50 minus 2. 17 into 50, 850 or not? 17 2s are 34. Subtracting or adding? Subtracting. What is the remaining value? 816 or not? 816. Next What is the right hand side value? 19 into 31 అన్నాడు. Means 19 30 times 19 one time అన్నాడు. 19 30s means 570. 19 ones are 19. Total it is 589 అన్నాడు. First two values are adding, third value are subtracting అన్నాడు. Okay, 88 minus 89. Verify the last two digits. 88 and 89 minus 1 plus 16 minus 1 15 అన్నాడు. Ending with 1 5. How many options? Only one అన్నాడు. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారో లేదో, దాంట్లో కావాల్సిన ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 29 ఈజ్ ఏ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అన్నట్టు, 17 ఆల్సో ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అన్నట్టు, 19 ఆల్సో ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అన్నట్టు, 31 ఆల్సో ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అన్నట్టు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 47. ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ ప్లస్ 76 అండ్ మైనస్ 76 బోత్ ఆర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అన్నట్టు. క్యాన్సిల్ అన్నట్టు. నెక్స్ట్ 56 plus 59 how much? 56 plus 59 115. Out of 115 we are subtracting 35. What is the remaining value? 80 not. How many options are ending with 80? Only one option not. Next, what is the 21 square? 441. What is the 30 square? 900. What is the 27 square? 729 not. Okay, first 900 plus 700 1600. 1600 and 400 difference. 1600 and 400 difference 1200 or not. Minus 1200 or plus 1200? Minus 1200. 41 minus 29 12 or not. Then we are adding plus 12 or minus 12? Plus 12. Minus 1200 plus 12 means we are getting minus 1188 or not. Hundreds positions are adding, it will be negative value, but tens positions are adding, we are get the positive value or not. Minus 1200 plus 12 how much? Minus 1200 plus 1 2. What is the remaining value? Minus 1188 or not. Clear? Next question number 49. Cube root of 1728 how much? 12. Cube root of 125 5. Cube root of 64 4. 17 minus 4 13 or not. Next question number 50. First priority numerator and second priority denominator or not. This one we written 13 into 355 into 126 divided by how much value? 71 into 18 or not. 71 355 almost 5 times or not. 18 almost how many times? 126 7 times or not. Okay, 13 into 7 91 into how many times? 5 times. We are getting 455 or not. Next question number 51. X and Y started a business with 3000 and 4000 respectively. At the end of the year, at the end of the 2 years partnership, 20% profit is goes to which one? Charity. If the share of Y in profit is how much? 2000, then what is the total profit or not? Okay, what is the investment ratio? 3:4. Means profits also distributed 3:4 or not. But out of the total profit, 20% goes to which one? Charity. Suppose total profit are 100%, 20% goes to charity, means what is the remaining percent? 80%. That 80% will be distributed based on their investments or not. First one invested 3 parts, second one invested 4 parts, out of 7 parts or not. Out of 7 parts. What is the second one investment? 4 parts out of 7 parts, but 4 by 7 of how much percent are received? 80% అన్నాడు. 4/7 of 80%. 4/7 of 80% equal to how much value? 2000 అన్నాడు. We required total profit. Total profit means 100% we need అన్నాడు. 80% are distributed or 100% are distributed? 80%. 4/7 of 80% equal to which one? 2000. But we required 100% or not? 20 how many times 80? 4 times. 20 how many times 100? 5 times or not? 4 how many times 200? 4 how many times 200? 500 times or not? 4 how many times 500? 125 or not? 125. Then answer 125 into 5 into 7 or not? Okay, 125 into 5 means 625 into how much value? 7. Answer must be more than 4200 or less than 4200? More than 4200, but nearby 4200 or not? Which one? 4375. 7 into 600, 4200. 7 into 25, 175. Total it is 4375. Next question number 52. The ratio in which a man must mix sugar at 12.20 per kg and 16.40 per kg so as to make a mixture worth 14.60 per kg or not? Okay. What is the minimum price? 12.20. What is the maximum price? 16.40. What is the overall price? 14.60 or not? Solving these three values, we are get the ratio between the quantity of first one and quantity of second one or not? What is the difference between 16.40 and 14.60? 1.8. 14.60 and 12.20 difference 2.4. Nothing but ratio 3:4 or not? Quantity 1 3 parts, quantity 2 4 parts. Next question number 53. Three numbers are in the ratio of which one? 2:3:4. By adding 8 to each of them, the new numbers are in the ratio of 3:4:5. Find the numbers or not? Before adding the 8, what was the ratio? 2:3:4. After adding the ratio becomes 3:4:5. Each one, how many parts are increased? One part. Each one, how many parts are increased? One part. But each one, how much value are increased? 8 or not? Then every one part we return 8 or not? Next, what is the question here? Find the numbers or not? First number is how much? 16. Second number 24. Third number 32 or not? This type of questions always required original numbers or new numbers? Original numbers. Which option is 2:3:4? Only third option or not? Next question number 54. The ratio of the number of balls in bags P and Q is 4:5. 8 balls are taken from bag Q and are dropped in bag P. The number of balls are equal in each bag. Now, what is the number of balls in P bag now or not? What is the present value of P in a P value or not? We required present value of P or not? After adding or before adding? After adding. Initially P is how many parts? 4 parts. Initially Q is how many parts? 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, how many balls are taken? 8 balls. Minus 8 or plus 8? Minus 8. That 8 is added to which one? P or not? Means we are adding plus 8 or minus 8? Plus 8. Right hand side 8 are subtracted. It is added to left hand side plus 8 or not? But both balls are equal balls or different? Equal. What is the difference between 4 parts and 5 parts? 1 part. What is the difference between 8 and 8? 16 or not? 1 part equal to 16. But we required present value of P or not? Present value of P means 4P plus 8 or not? 1 part 16. 4 parts are 64 plus 8. How much? 72. Next question number 55. If the 4 times of the difference of the two numbers is equal to 2 times the sum of the two numbers, then what is the ratio of these two numbers or not? Difference of two numbers and sum of the two numbers or not? Suppose difference of the two numbers means m minus s or not? Sum of the two numbers means m plus s or not? Okay. 4 times of the difference, 4 into m minus s or not? It is equal to which one? 2 times of the sum of those two numbers or not? What is the sum of the two numbers? M plus s or m minus s? M plus s. 4 into m minus s, it is equal to 2 times of m plus s or not? 2 how many times 4? 2 times or not? One is 2m, another one are m. What is the difference? M. One is minus 2s, another one plus s. Negative 2s becomes positive 2s. Total it is 3s or not? M equal to 3s. Nothing but ratio are 3:1 or not? Question number 56. A rectangular field as its length and breadth are in the ratio of 5:4 respectively. A man riding a bicycle completes one lap of this field along its perimeter at the speed of 18 km/h in 1.5 minutes. What is the area of the field or not? Okay. First of all, a man riding a bicycle completes one lap of this field. Complete one lap of circular field or not? Means it is perimeter or area? Perimeter. Nothing but one complete, it is rectangular or circular? Rectangular. In rectangular field, one complete lap, nothing but it will be perimeter or area? Perimeter. Means perimeter of a rectangular field, it is also equal to distance covered in 1.5 minutes or not? Perimeter of a rectangular field, it is also equal to distance covered in 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes? 1.5 minutes. Then we return distance value, it is equal to perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 of L plus B or not? Already we know the distance formula. What is the distance? Nothing but speed into time. What is the speed value are given? 18 km/h. Time are given 1.5 minutes or not? Then speed into time or not? Left hand side it is a distance, right hand side also distance. Equal distance or different distance? Equal distance. Okay. 2 into L means how many parts? 5 parts. B is how many parts? 4 parts. Total how many parts? 9 parts or not? What is the speed of the person? 18 km/h. It is converted to meter per second or not? Into how many minutes are given? 1.5 minutes. 1.5 minutes means how many seconds? 90 seconds or not? 1 minute 60, half minute 30. Total it is 90 seconds or not? 18 cancel or not? 2 into 9, 18. 18 how many times? 90. 5 times or not? Then every one part equal to how much? 25 or not? What is the question here? Area of the field or not? Area of the field means length into breadth or length minus breadth? Length into breadth. What is the length value? 5 parts or 4 parts? 5 parts. 5 parts means it is 125 or not? Breadth value 4 parts. 4 parts means it is 100 or not? Then answer 12,500 or not? ఏరియాకి ఫార్ములా తెలుసు అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకేనా? కాబట్టి మల్టిప్లై చేయాలా, యాడ్ చేయాలా? మల్టిప్లై. Question number 57. A trader mixes 50 kgs of rice at 44 rupees per kg with 50 kgs of rice other variety at 36 rupees per kg and he sells the mixture at 42 rupees per kg. Is profit percent or not? Okay. What is the first one quantity? 50 kgs. Second one quantity 50 Ks or not. First one quantity 50 Ks, second one quantity 50 Ks. What is the ratio? 1:1 or not. First one quantity 1 kg, second one quantity also 1 kg. Total mixture 2 kgs or not. అది 50 చెప్పిందని 50 తీసుకుందామా? ఈక్వల్ రేషియో 1:1 చేస్తే సరిపోతుందా లేదా? వాట్ ద రేషియో వీఆర్ గెటింగ్? 1:1. ఫస్ట్ వన్ క్వాంటిటీ 1 kg, సెకండ్ వన్ ఆల్సో 1 kg. వాట్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ పర్ కేజ్ వాల్యూ? 44. సెకండ్ వన్ పర్ కేజ్ వాల్యూ 36. వాట్ ద టోటల్ కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 2 kgs? 80 rupees or not. Total cost of 2 kgs is how much? 80 rupees. What is the per kg cost of mixture? 80 by 2. How much? 40 or not. That 40 is the cost price of 1 kg or 2 kg? 1 kg. But selling price of the mixture per kg is how many rupees? 42 or not. How many rupees are profit? 2 rupees profit or not. 2 upon which one? 40 multiplied by 100 or not. We required percent or value? Percent. 2 how many times? 20. 20 how many times? 5 times. We are getting 5% or not. Or else 80 and 84. 80 becomes 84 or not. Per kg value of per kg selling price of mixture is how much? 42. Per kg 42 means 2 kgs 84 or not. Selling price of the 2 kgs 84. Cost price of the 2 kgs 80 rupees. How many rupees are profit? 4 rupees. 4 upon 80 or not. 4 by 80 means again 5% or not. Next question number 58. In a flight of 798.90 kilometers approximately, an aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed for the trip was reduced by 80 km per hour and the time of flight is increased by 29.90 minutes approximately. Find the duration of the flight. Duration nothing but time or not. Which one time we need? Original time or new time? Original time or not? Original time nothing but before reduced the speed or after reduced the speed? Before reduced the speed or not? Before reduced the speed. Suppose original speed are yes. Original speed are yes. What is the new speed? S minus 80 or not? What is the difference of the speeds? 80 or not? What is the difference of the speeds? 80. What is the time difference? Flight, the time of the flight is increased by how many minutes? 30 minutes or not? 30 minutes. మీరు క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్రెడీ చదివి ఉంటారు కాబట్టి నేను మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయట్లేదాన్ని. హౌ మెనీ మినిట్స్ ఆర్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్? 30 minutes ఇంటూ 30 by 60 or not? What is the meaning? Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference or not? It is equal to distance value or time value? Distance value. Speed into time or not? Speed into time, it is equal to which one? Distance. What is the distance are given? 798.90. Approximately we return 800 or not? Okay. Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference. 30 by 60 means 1 by 2 or not? Then S into S minus 80, it is equal to how much value? 800 into 160 or not? 800 into 160. What is the left hand side value? S into S minus 80. What is the right hand side value? 800 into 160. But in left hand side, what is the values difference? 80 or not? Right hand side values difference? Almost 640 or not? Almost 640. What is the half of the 800? 400. 800 means we return 400 into 2 or not? 400 into 2. 2 into 160. 320 or not? What is the difference between 400 and 320? 80 or not? Okay. Left hand side 80 difference means right hand side also factors difference must be 80 or not? One is 400, another one are 320 or not? Then S must be how much? 400 or 500? 400. S value 400, but S minus 80 value 320 or not? What is the question here? Find the duration of the flight. Duration of the flight means distance by speed or not? Distance by speed. Nothing but we require time value or not? Time equal to distance by speed. What is the distance value? 800. What is the original speed? 400. 800 by 400 means 2 hours or not? Always we required original time or not? ఇది ఎవరికన్నా అర్థం కాలేదు అంటే ఇంకోటి చెప్తాను, జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. వాట్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ వాల్యూ? 800. 800 by s minus 80. What is the meaning? Distance by speed or not? Distance by speed means we are getting time or not? Next, second case also same distance or different distance? Same distance, but speed value s or not? Actually original time means 800 by s or not? New time means 800 by s minus 80 or not? What is the time difference? 30 minutes or not? 30 minutes means 30 by 60 or not? Okay, 800 by s, it is original time or new time? Original time. 800 by s minus 80, how much time are extra taken? 30 minutes more or not? 30 minutes more means we return t plus 30 minutes or not? T plus 30 minutes. One is t plus 30 minutes, another one are t hours. What is the difference in time? 30 minutes or not? Solving this one, we are get the s value or not? If we are get the s value, obviously we are get the time or not? Okay, but which one is better? First one is better or not? Next question number 59. 3 pipes PQR can fill a tank from empty to full in 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. When the tank is empty, all the 3 pipes are open. PQR discharge chemical solutions XYZ respectively. What is the proportion of the solution Y in the liquid in the tank after 4 minutes or not? Proportion means ratio or not? Proportion means ratio or not? What is the proportion of the solution Y in the liquid in the tank after how many minutes? 4 minutes or not? Nothing but we required ratio between Y solution to total mixture or not? Total mixture after how many minutes? 4 minutes or not? Okay, what is the data are given? 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes or not? What is the LCM? 60 or not? LCM 60. First one how many times? 6 times. Second one 3 times. Next one 4 times or not? Okay, 6 plus 3 plus 4 how much? 13 or 14? 13. Okay, it is per minute value or number of minutes value? Per minute value of 3 pipes or only 1 pipe? 3 pipes. But here all the 3 pipes are open for how many minutes? 4 minutes or not? Then we return 13 into 4 or not? 13 into 4. It is total of 3 pipes for how many minutes? 4 minutes or not? But here ratio between which one? What is the proportion of the solution Y in the liquid in the tank after how many minutes? 4 minutes. Nothing but we required a relation between Y to total solution or not? Y to total solution. Y, what is the per minute value? 3 liters. How many minutes are Y is open? 4 minutes. Then we return 3 into 4 or not? 3 into 4. 3 into 4 means it is which one value? Y. 13 into 4 means it is combination of 3 or only 1? Combination of 3. Both side 4 4 cancel or not? What is the remaining value? 3 by 13 or not? 13 4s are how much? 52. Means total solution after 4 minutes is how much? 52 liters or not? 52 liters. In that Y solution is how many liters? 12 liters or not? Out of 52 Y solution we required. Then we return 12 by 52 or not? Okay. After 4 minutes, what is the total solution are filled? 52 minutes. In that, which one we required? Y or not? Y after 4 minutes, how much part are filled? 12 or not? 3 fours are only 3. 3 fours are. Means out of 52, how many parts we need? 12 parts or not? 12 by 52 means we are getting 3 by 13 or not? Suppose we required Z value. 4 fours are how much? 16. 16 by 52 or not? We required X value. 6 fours are 24 by 52 or not? Next question number 60. In an election, how many candidates are contested? 2 candidates. One who got 55% of the total valid votes and 25% of the votes were declared invalid. If the total number of votes was 6,400, if that number of valid votes that the other candidate got or not? Suppose total number of votes is given how much? 6,400. In that invalid votes are 25%. Means valid votes are 75% or not? Out of the valid votes, one candidate are getting how much percent? 55%. One is getting 55% means obviously another candidate are getting 45% or not? Means 45% of valid votes are invalid votes. Valid votes. Out of 6,400, 75% are valid votes. Out of the valid votes, one is getting 55% means another one are getting 45%. Then answer 45% of 75% of which one? 6,400 or not? 45% means it is 9 by 20 or not? 9 by 20. 75% means it is 3 by 4 or not? Into how much value? 6,400. 20 into 4 means 80. 80 how many times? 80 times or not? Then answer 2160 or not? Ending with 60. 31. Read the data carefully and answer the following questions. There are how many shops? 3 shops. ABC sells formal shirts and check shirts. Respective ratio to the formal and check shirts sold by A was how much? 9:7. Total how many shops? 3 shops or not? A, B, C. And first one is formal. Second one checks or not? Okay. Total formal shirts in 3 stores. Total checks in 3 stores. Formal and checks shirts sold by shop A was how much? 9:7. And sold by shop B was how much? 3:4. And the number of shirts sold by shop C was 108. Means shop C total shirts is how much? 108. Next, and one more, formal and check shirts sold by shop C was what is the ratio? 7:5. Total how many parts? 12 parts. 12 parts is 108. Every one part are 9. 9 sevens are 63. 5 sevens are, 9 fives are 45. 7:5 means total 12 parts. 12 parts is 108. Every one part are 9. 9 sevens are 63. 9 fives are 45. And one more, the total number of shirts sold by all the 3 shops was how much? 376. That 376 total formal and total checks or not? Means here 376 or not? Next, what is the next point? The number of formal shirts sold by shop A was 20% more than the formal shirts sold by shop B or not? Shop B. And one more, the number of formal shirts sold by shop B was how much? 60. Formal shirts in shop B 60. And shop A formal shirts compared to shop B formal shirts 20% more. What is the 20% of 60? 12. 60 plus 12. 72 or not? 72, 60, 63. Total it is how much? All are adding, we are get the formal shirts in 3 shops or not? 72, 60, 63. Total 195. Out of 376, formal are 195 means remaining are checks are not. 376 minus 195. 181 are not. 181. And already shop A, formal and checks are in which ratio? 9:7. What are the 9 parts value? 72. 1 part value 8. 7 parts value 56. Next, shop B also ratio are given or not? What is the ratio? 3:4. What is the 3 parts value? 60. 4 parts value 80 or not? Okay. Next, what is the total shirts in shop A? 128. What is the total shirts in shop B? 140 or not? What is the first question? What is the ratio of the formal shirts sold by shop A and C together and check shirts sold by shop B and C together or not? Formal of A 72. Formal of shop C 63. Total it is 135 or not? Next, shop B and C checks. What is the B value? 80. C value 45. Total it is 125. We required ratio or not? 5 how many times? 27. 5 how many times? 25. Then ratio 27:25. What is the total number of formal shirts sold by all the shops? How much? 195. Next, question number 93. Total formal shirts sold by shop A and B are approximately what percent of total check shirts sold by B and C or not? Total formal of A and B or not? What is the A and B formal value? 132. What is the B and C checks value? 125. 132 and 125. We required is what percent or not? Then we written 132 by 125 into 100 or not? Approximate or exact? Approximate. 132 by 125 means numerator is more than the denominator or not? Obviously we are getting more than 100% or less than 100%? More than 100%. How many options are more than 100%? Only one. Next, question number 34. If the formal shirts sold by shop B is increased by how much percent? 30%. And check shirts sold by shop B is increased by how much percent? 20%. Then what is the sum of the formal shirts sold by shop B and check shirts sold by shop B after increment or before increment? After increment. What the shop B formal shirts? 60. In that how much percent are increased? 30%. What is the 30% of 60? 18. Total it is 78. Next, checks also increased by how much percent? 20%. What is the checks value? 80. 20% increase means 16 increase or not? 80 plus 16. 96. Both are adding or subtracting? Adding. Total it is 174. Next, question number 35. If the cost of each formal shirts and each check shirts sold by shop B is how much? 500 and 700 respectively, then find the total amount obtained by shop B or not? Okay. What is the shop B formal shirts? 60. Check shirts 80. Okay. Suppose we are assume 6 and 8 or not? 6 and 8. 6 into 500. 3000. Already 10 are left or not? Total it is 30,000 or not? Next, second one checks 8 or not? 8 into 700. 56 or not? Nothing but 5,600. Already 10 means 56,000 plus 30,000. 30,000. Total it is 86,000. Okay, all are complete. Thank you.